Let's paint a picture. You're a dedicated coder with a burning passion for creating, yet finding yourself trapped in the relentless cycle of inconsistency. Sound familiar? Well, in today's video, we're tackling the ultra-relatable struggle of being unable to maintain consistency in your coding journey. Reason number 1. Lack of clear goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose motivation and direction. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with coding? Set specific, measurable goals to keep yourself on track. Reason number 2. Information overload. The tech world moves fast, and it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available. Trying to learn everything at once can lead to burnout and inconsistency. Reason number 3. Lack of routine. Coding sporadically can hinder your progress. Without a consistent routine, it's hard to build momentum and see tangible improvements. Reason number 4. Fear of failure. The fear of making mistakes or not being good enough can hold you back from consistent practice. Remember, failure is an essential part of learning and growth. Reason number 5. Lack of accountability. Without someone or something to hold you accountable, it's easy to make excuses and skip coding sessions. That's all for today. So, let's break free from the inconsistency loop and embrace a more stable coding journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials and guides on web development. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.